Wi-Fi allows connectivity and communication among devices in a wireless fashion. The ATSC will offer you the possibility of analyzing Wi-Fi signals in the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. These are used by several technologies simultaneously, such as Bluetooth, wireless USB, Zigbee used in domotics, cordless phones, security cameras, microwave ovens, etc. And therefore, it is necessary to have a tool that can analyze the level of spectrum occupancy by all these signals in the aforementioned bands. To use this tool, we will go to the Home menu and press over the Wi-Fi icon. If the Wi-Fi dongle provided with the meter is not plugged into the meter, you will be displayed a message telling you so. Please plug the Wi-Fi dongle and continue. The meter will activate its Wi-Fi adapter and scan all in-range Wi-Fi networks. Now we can access to a number of analysis tools. The Wi-Fi spectrum screen can be accessed by selecting the Spectrum Wi-Fi tool from the Tools menu in any of the screen panels. Wi-Fi channels are displayed as gray vertical columns. Here we can see the 14 Wi-Fi channels within the 2.4 GHz band. We can move from the 2.4 GHz band to the 5 GHz band by pressing on the red arrow displayed on the top of the screen. The spectrum analyzer trace is plotted thanks to the signal received through the meter's RF input by using the specific antenna provided with the analyzer. Besides that, the network's access points are displayed on top as colored trapezoids, along with their names. The width and height of those trapezoids depend on the number of Wi-Fi channels used by each network and their received power level, RSSI, respectively. It is important to understand that the spectrum trace will display not only Wi-Fi signals but any signal using this band, which could be interfering our Wi-Fi network as well. We can select on a screen any of the detected Wi-Fi networks just by pressing on their name on the spectrum screen. The access point selected will be highlighted for easy identification and its information will be refreshed in the rest of the screen panels accordingly. By dragging in the left side menu, we find the following options. We can select which band we want to visualize on the spectrum analyzer screen. We can activate, hide and freeze max haul and min haul traces. If we select Wi-Fi scan from the Tools menu, we can see a full list including all the Wi-Fi networks detected by the meter, showing for each SSID, RSSI, Wi-Fi channels used, access point bandwidth, band it belongs to, and type of security protection. Again, if we press on any of these access points, the information will be refreshed in the rest of panels. In the tool Wi-Fi parameters, we can find more detailed information about the selected Wi-Fi network. Finally, the measurement tool offers the following measurements, calculated over the selected access point: RSSI, received signal strength indicator; BC, level of occupancy in the group of Wi-Fi channels used by the selected access point; SNR, signal to noise ratio; noise floor level. All this information can help us decide what is the best Wi-Fi channels to use when setting up a new access point.